What's up, guys? I'm doing this super quick because I'm trying to get it done before I head to the gym. So, as you guys know, the new website's up, new merchandise is rolling out, and everything else. We have some very cool interviews that are going to be coming up and everything else. I'm doing my best right now. I'm actually trying to get Vicky Joy's dad to come on with another buddy of mine, Nick, because I think that would just be awesome. You guys don't know him, you've never heard of him, but he's super cool. I love that guy. His name's Jeff. Uh, I'm also going to be trying to bring on Kenny C. I'm going to work on getting Chris from the Camper Mon podcast. And, man, there's a whole lot of stuff that's in the works. We're going to be joining me and AC. You guys haven't met him yet, but you will. Are going to be joining Mike Stibbs, hopefully here pretty soon, to do an interview that is going to be live. I think it's going to be live. It might be streamed. I'm not 100% sure yet. But to let you guys know what it is we're working on, what we're building, and how people can get involved directly, even indirectly. And there's all sorts of new merchandise and stuff that's rolling out. I'm doing the designs myself, and I got to say the new ones have turned out really, really good. And we're hoping to be engaged in some more, actual live training, live speaking events and stuff like that here in the near future. Like I said, there's a whole lot going on, a whole lot of irons in the fires. I'm actually pretty stoked about it, pretty excited. So I just want to let you guys know we got a lot coming up, and I'm not sure how much of it's going to be on YouTube. A lot of the subject matter will probably be exclusively to Rumble and the website, and a few of the interviews and the training stuff will be under the subscribe wall. So for all you guys who have committed even to the $10 a month, I promise it's going to be worth your money. We're working on it. I am also, here in the near future, as soon as I actually have a day off, I will be hand forging some custom battle axes, hatchets, as well as some knives, probably a couple of karambits and stuff, and we're going to do that in a type of bidding fashion to help raise funds and get the word out about the ministry and what we're doing. And like I said, there's a whole lot of stuff coming on, including, survival stuff, firearms drills, hand-to-hand combat, bug-out bags, get everybody ready for whatever is going to happen, because we're in some really weird times. I think you guys know that, and we have no idea the direct path it's going to take or the exact time frame. So I want to bring as much as I can to the people while we have the opportunity and the availability to do so. So, all right, guys, I just want to give you a quick update. Everything's going to be coming very, very soon. All right, I'm about to cut out and head to the gym. You guys have a good one. This has been Archangel. I'm out.